Welcome friends, in this series I'm going to show you how to block domain names from being accessible from your network. So the first thing I'm going to do will be to log on to my server using my PuTTY software. So I'll type root. I'll type the password. So the next thing I'm going to do will be to issue the command that will enable us retrieve the IP address for the domain that we want to block. In this case, we want to block the domain www.youtube.com. So I'll type host-t-a youtube.com. This command will reveal all the public IPs that is used by YouTube. So you can see there are 4 public IPs that are used here by YouTube. So I will now go to my iptable script and write an iptable rules that will automatically block access to youtube.com using any of these public IPs. So how do I access that? I will type to access my firewall script. I will type vi/root/squid fx. It's a bash file. So here I already have this script. This script enables me to share my internet access using transparent squid proxy. So I'm now going to write the firewall rules in this script that will enable me block YouTube from being accessible. So now on this script I've typed my first iptable rules, iptable-a output-p tcp destination www.youtube.com jump drop. So I will do the same thing for the next line, tcp-d youtube.com-j drop. Then again I'm now going to specify all those IP addresses that we saw. Accept output, add output-p tcp destination. I'll type the IP address. The first one is 64.233.185.93. Whenever you see this, jump and drop it. Same thing. Sorry, there's a mistake here, so we'll just correct this. iptables. So I'll move to the next line, iptables-a output, then tcp-d, then 64.233.185. Next one is 91. When you see this, jump up and drop it. Jump and drop it. iptables -a output -p tcp-d 64.233.185.190. Drop this packet. iptables-a output-p tcp-d 64.185.233.185.136 change drop. So another way is if we've known the subnet in which the YouTube network is, we'll just define that and it covers the entire thing. So that's what we have. So we're writing that under the drop section. So we do Shift WQ to save. Sorry, escape, Shift WQ. Then we do to save that, we type vi/root, we type sh, run the script by type sh/root squid fw.sh. So you can see that is safe. So with this, like you can restart the squid, service squid restart. So our squid is fully restarted. So we can now confirm if by browsing if YouTube will appear, will be loaded on from our browser. So I'll just click. So now we're going to confirm if we can access youtube.com from our network. So I'll click on my browser. Then I'll type www.youtube.com. Enter. So YouTube now loading. So trying to access it, trying to click on it, refreshing it again. Not opening. So let's see what the squid analyzer will tell you. So I'll type http://10.0.0. So it's still not opening. So I'm going to issue the squid. I want to view the squid log to see which website is opening and which is not opening. We've blocked youtube.com, so I will do that by typing tel-f/var log squid/access log. So the system will tell me which site is opening here and which is not opening. So I'm going to go back to my browser, and on my browser I'm seeing here that Facebook is not responding. YouTube is not responding. So I'll go back again and try to open it. YouTube. So you can see youtube.com is not loading anything. So let's try to see if any other site will open. So I'll type www.cnn.com. Enter. So CNN is loading, and so this is CNN is loading, and of course the squid log file is already capturing that, but nothing has been captured from here because YouTube is completely blocked. So that's how you can block your website. Thank you for listening.